In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Citibank statements. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and log in into your account at Citibank or at citi.com. And of course, you'll need to use user ID and password or open an account if you don't have an account. But normally, once you are in this video, you probably have already an account. Other than that, of course, you will need to go and if you have the application, log in or do the same. If you don't have the app downloaded, make sure to go and download it. And if you do have it downloaded, all you need to do just go and log in using your user ID, Touch ID, or even Face ID if you enable those two. And of course, register for an account if you don't have an account. So now how to check the Citibank statement. So basically, online bank statements at Citibank, as you can see, it's very easy to access to your bank statements. And it's right for you, of course, the cost is free. And it's right for you if you want to view your statements online, you want to easily access your statements anytime, or you would like to cut down on a paperwork. Of course, here you'll find this apply online. This is if you still haven't applied or you still haven't created an account. But if you've done this already and you want to view your statements online, as you can see, here is how. When you open your customer check-in or save an account, you must agree to the paperless delivery of your statement and some legal notices. You can change the statement delivery preferences at any time while your account is open, and you will get an email every month when your statement is available online. Simply click on the link to view it immediately, and you can review your statement online in PDF format using Adobe Acrobat Reader or other similar software. So as you can see, you'll get an email every month in your statement available online. So all you need to do, just go to the email provider that you provided while creating an account and wait, or simply look for the Citibank as example emails that you got as example, and you'll have to check, let's say here, and you'll send you of course the link with this statement of your statement, and you'll have to simply click on it and you'll be able to view it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.